Hi, today we're going to talk a little bit about safety mats. You might say, safety mats, that's like really old technology. Why would we be doing a video on that? And I think that there are a lot of new technologies out there like laser scanners as we have here to do protective area things, but there's still a lot of applications out there where a safety mat is a better solution just from a pure shape and size type thing sometimes. So we recently added the Larco safety mat line to our portfolio after consulting with a safety risk assessment consultant. They looked at our portfolio and said, you need a few items to help fill it out. One of those items was safety mats. We chose the Larco brand because, well, number one, they have a 4-year warranty. They've been in the industry for a long time, I think around 50 some years, and they build a really good quality product. So a knock on safety mats is really reliability and having to change them out a lot. With a 4-year warranty, I think you kind of get a pretty good quality product for that. So their safety mats actually consist of 3 different styles. The one I was showing you there, they have something called Sure Step. So this is it's got like an abrasive feel to it, so you're not going to slide on it essentially. And then they also have a comfort version, which is a softer piece of rubber on the top essentially. The way that the safety mat technology works is, you have 2 plates there and electricity, right, or a contact essentially. So it's basically a large contact, and when you step on it, it closes the contact. The safety mats are available in lots of different colors. The standard colors are basically black and yellow, but as you can see, we've got several different colors that you could get these in, as well as do some very unique things like put your own logo on it, as an example. Okay. One of the other things that Larco claims is that they hold up well in crappy environments. They're submersible, very robust. They actually talk about forklifts being able to drive on them. They can withstand up to 3,000 PSI. So if you're doing things like that, like a forklift driving on it, you would want to have a larger ramp style on the outer frame of the unit. So if you take a look at how that would work, the frame would be made something like that. There are also various other style frames, a little bit smaller version here. If you had an edge that you were protecting, you can do a square one like that, but that would have to be up against something because you don't normally want to have a trip hazard there with a safety mat. They also have active joiners. So they have I don't remember the number exactly, but there's a lot of different standard sizes. But if you have an application and the size is somewhat unique, we actually can have them design a system where you can connect a bunch of these guys together to make the mat one unit or multiple units depending on what you need. So in summary, the Larco brand is very robust, very high quality, and I think that we've had some great success with it at this point, and I'd like to see more of it actually. So check it out on our website, and thank you for your time.